He's the producer of the morning show.
Yes, it's
I want to
Juan.
introduce you to Juan. He's the producer of the
Come
morning
here,
show. Come right here.
come here.
Say
And
hello.
our dear friend
Hello.
Steve, the broadcast, the main guy in broadcast, the entire broadcast team.
Come down,
Juan,
come
you do an amazing job. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
absolutely.
Hello everybody and welcome on board Adventure of the Seas. My name is
Juan Romaldi, Entertainment Media Specialist. Come on down. You are all contestants for Employee of the Month, front of the house.
And last, we have our entertainment media specialist, Juan.